Hello guys, this is Viria, and today there's gonna be a video of me drawing a witch that I think I named her Lupita, like Lupita Young, in honor of that human being. She's so beautiful that I wanted to name my character after her. The face that I'm drawing here is completely not the face that I will end up with, because, well, I decided to change it because I didn't like the way the line art for this one looked. And I realized I made a character recently, so I might as well actually draw her in here. For this piece I used Procreate and iPad, and I'm still kinda practicing with this one, but what I noticed is that I can, I draw backgrounds with this program much better, because for some reason it's kind of very soothing to draw backgrounds, like so many details, and I don't get bored with this one, and I always got bored and kinda my back starts to hurt and stuff whenever I draw on computer, so I'm just practicing backgrounds. And I wanted to draw a witch for just so long, so October is the perfect month for that, even though in Ukraine we don't really celebrate Halloween or anything like this, but well, I still drew a witch and named her Lupita. So I finally completed the sketch and I made a new layer, and I think I'm using my pencil tools for this. I'm not really sure how to call them, and here I'm getting very enthusiastic with the hair, because I don't know, I adore drawing this type of hair because it's just so fun and it's so voluminous and like curly, and oh, it's so pretty. I'm just I love it very much. Also, what I can suggest you, if you're someone who can draw backgrounds like me, I'm kind of bad at it. Use references. Like Pinterest is your best friend for it. Here I googled like witch aesthetic and backgrounds and plants and many things, and I just combined all of those together. Wow, that was fast. My background not background, but my line art suddenly got done, and from now on it's gonna be very fast, because for some reason this is how Procreate records things, and I can't really help with that. But my usual flat coloring, more flat coloring, some added shading in the plants, and some gouache brushes and flat like pen brushes. I really combine. I use bolder pens for the character and what's on the front and like the main things, and then subtle, more texturized ones for background and well, walls and stuff like this. Basically everything that's on the background. Also, in this program there is such a nice tool for the lighting. Like there is a specific brush set just for the lighting, and I dig that. I adore drawing lanterns with this or any kind of luminosity. For this piece I really wanted to be like atmospheric witch evening, and she's just chilling with her cats and stuff. And here as well, usual overlay layers and one multiply layer on top, and then more overlay layers as for lighting on top of that multiply layer. And the piece is done. It was a very fast recording, so I'm sorry for that. I actually made it longer, but it doesn't really work this way, so thank you for watching!